Hello and welcome to another Taylor Box Talks. Today we're going to talk about this tray in a 3-panel folder we developed for Real Techniques by Sam Nic, a makeup company. The tray in the 3-panel design is fairly simple. It's been wrapped in a beautiful pink, somewhat pearlescent cover material that has a slight soft touch feel. It has one lone gold foil stamp on the lid announcing the brand. The front has a beautiful ribbon closure. This is a really elegant, standout feature. It's incredibly popular in cosmetics, fragrance, and any specific packaging targeting the female demographic. When the package is opened, it reveals a beautiful series of gold foil platforms in the base that were specifically designed to hold their entire range of makeup applicators and brushes. The lid opens to reveal an insert on the lid, which is wrapped in the same gold foil as the platforms in the base. It holds a photograph of Sam Nic with photo corners also done in the same metallic material. Again, we have some gold foil stamping explaining to the influencer why they have received this gift and encouraging them to use their hashtag #RTParty. This is a tremendous example of an influencer kit for the beauty market because of all of the design and decorative choices that Sam Nic chose. If you would like to work with us to develop an influencer kit for your products or your brand, please contact us today. Thanks for coming by.